All right, here's part 3. Let's continue. Oops. Step 10, create and format current date. Select cell G23 and insert the now function. Okay. Let's see here. G23. Insert the now function. Interesting. Equals now. Now. Boom. That's what popped up. Okay. Select G23. Click the number drop-down list. And select more number formats. Okay, so just follow me. Alright. Click this. We're going to go up here. More number formats. We're going to go to date. Date. And then it says scroll the types list to find the date that displays the month spelled out, the date, a comma, a 4-digit number. Oh, so it looks like, look for one that looks like that. Looks like that one. Yep. That's the one. Okay, and hit OK. Okay. Boom. There we go. And then that's 10, so 11. Create and copy a VLOOKUP function to display goals for each of the funding sources. Click the Family Day sheet and select F6. Family Day. F6 is right here. Okay. Sort the VLOOKUP function. Use cell E6 as the lookup value. All right, so we're going to go in here, hit equals VLOOKUP. Remember, E6 is our eLookup value, comma. It says our table array is in the tables sheet tab. It's A6 to B10, and those are money references. All right, so tables, A6 to B10 is right there. Hold command, hit T, and notice how it put those money signs in there. Hit a comma, and then it says use the second column as the column index number. So what that means is this column index number right here, it's either 1 or 2. So this reference right here grabbed this column and this column. So this is column 1, column 2. And because we want the second one, we're going to hit the number 2. And then we're going to close the parenthesis and hit enter. And boom, $500. That's what we want. Okay? And then it says copy the formula to cells F7 to F20 without formatting to preserve the fill color. Alright, so we'll just drag this down to there. Let's see if that matches up with our answer key. Okay, this is 500, 250, 500, 300, 500, 250, 500, 300, yeah. Look at the bottom, 500, 500, 500, 500, 300. Yep, so that looks good. Okay. And then it says format cells F6 to F20 as currency with no decimal places. Okay, so we're going to highlight all these. Currency, which it already is. No decimal places, which it already is. Okay, so as I looked over this again, I remembered, if you notice, there's white here and then there's yellow. So we want to make these all white to be consistent with the pattern. So one way to fix that is we're going to click on this cell. We're going to hold command, and we're going to click on this one, every other one. Okay. And then we're going to go up to the top here, and we're going to fill as white. Well, no fill, actually. Boom. There you go. So now it looks more all even. That's how we want it to do.